Hello everyone, and welcome to the fall semester of Math 150. I'm your instructor, Professor Michael Brown. Starting Tuesday morning, we will be meeting at 11:10 every Tuesday, Thursday with a live Zoom lecture. The lecture will be minimum 1 hour, probably not more than 2 hours, followed immediately by live office hours. You are not responsible for attending the live lectures. However, you may want to do so because then you can ask questions immediately afterwards. The lectures will be recorded and posted every single day, along with lots of lecture notes that I've written and several short videos that will aid in the presentation of everything else. Now, in terms of the textbook, I'm going with Sue Tan's second edition, and right now the hard copy is not available. It's only available through the ebook, either through the bookstore or directly through his website. If you choose the hard copy, you'll get the ebook for free. If you just want the ebook, that's okay as well. So I want you to go ahead and copy this information. This is how you contact Professor Tan directly, and this is the name of the textbook. Now, if you're coming from another campus or you've already taken Calculus 1 and you have a textbook, that's okay, you can go with that. If you don't want to wait, the first edition of the same book is available online, probably very inexpensive if you want to go with that. It's not very different. The difference is the math department as a whole will be adopting this book for the most part. So if you're starting Math 150 this semester for the first time, you probably want to get this one because then you'll have it for the whole 3 semesters. Now I want to walk you through how to go to Canvas. Now that you're on Dashboard, go ahead and click Particular Math 150 course, and you'll be taken immediately to the home page. There's a whole book written for my biography if you find that interesting. Everything we do in this course will be located under modules. So everything here, files, modules, assignments, grades. Modules is where you're going to want to check in general. So I'm going to choose the student view here so you can see what it looks like from your end, not from my end. So from here you're going to select modules, and within modules there'll be notes. Here's already some pre-printed lecture notes. The videos every day will be posted here, the quizzes, the exams. In addition to this will be the Zoom lectures. So modules is the place you're going to want to go every day to check for the material. Lecture notes and the videos are generally always posted ahead of time, as well as the quizzes. Also, we have a schedule that we're going to follow. Now, I'm assuming you've already looked at the syllabus, and so the schedule page gives us detail of what we're going to do every single class. So on the first day of class, it says introduction, trig review, limits, and so on. We will stick very closely to this schedule, and the reason I put the topics rather than the section numbers is because not everyone here will be operating with the same book. Now, as we go through these first few weeks, you notice here, the 2 little double slashes right there indicate that's the end of the first exam's material. And then the first exam is 3 classes later, which gives you a tremendous amount of time to prepare. On the same day that we finish the material, I'll be posting a practice test and a practice test key on Canvas so that you can be amply prepared. Now you also see the quizzes. Lecture 1, Quiz 1. The quizzes are always due a minimum of 7 days after the material has been presented. The quizzes you will be printing online, filling them out using the Fast Scanner app, and then sending them back to me. As long as they're back before the due time, you're great. Most people decide they want to turn in their quizzes early just to get them out of the way. Now, at the bottom here, as we go through everything, I want you to notice that at the end of week 14, we have our 3rd exam. Then we have a week off for Thanksgiving, and after that point, it's all review and final. So I've made a point of finishing all of the course content, that's 25 lectures, before Thanksgiving break, and then that allows you ample time to prepare for the final exam. And then finally, at the bottom here, you notice all the important deadlines, the drop dates, the exams themselves, and the final. And then from that point, you want to be having this where you can follow closely on a week-to-week basis to make sure you're not falling behind. Because even though there will be live lectures every day, you are certainly free and encouraged to work ahead. I'm looking forward to spending this semester, and the live lectures will make it a little bit more personable. I think it will feel that way. For all communications, please use my email. It's on the syllabus and it's also on the Canvas homepage. Do not email me through Canvas. I will get a notification that there is an email somewhere on planet Earth and I will never actually see it. Only use my email to email me. Use my email to send me all the quizzes and then later the exams that you're going to be taking. Now, I mentioned something called the Fast Scanner app. The Fast Scanner app is a free app that you can download onto your phone, and it even has about a 1.5-minute tutorial on YouTube on how to use it. It's extremely easy. You basically take pictures with your phone, and no matter how many pages, up to about 10 pages, you can send them all as one PDF. Then it comes out very clear to me and I can read it easily. And the last thing I will ask you, and I'll mention this many times during the course, is that make sure I can read all the material you send. So you're taking pictures in good light, black ink, white paper, no ambiguity whatsoever. Calculus 1 for most people is one of the most difficult courses because of the sheer volume of material, the level of abstraction, and the fact that your prior material has to be very strong. So we do spend a lot of time in this course preparing by reviewing the algebra, the trig, the geometry that we need before we can conquer the new subject. And so I look forward again to working with all of you, and I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday.